What if I told you that changing just one word in your YouTube title could get you more clicks? Most creators ignore this and it costs them views. Your thumbnail grabs attention, but your title convinces people to click. If your title is boring, viewers will scroll past your video. In this video, I'll show you the words that attract more clicks without using clickbait. Let's get started. The first type is curiosity words like secret, truth, hidden, and nobody knows. These make people want to learn more. There is a hidden YouTube trick that nobody is talking about. It is completely secret and changes everything. And today, I will reveal it. So let us get started right now. Next are action words like stop, avoid, fix, and improve. They promise a solution to a problem. Stop making these thumbnail mistakes on your videos. They are killing your views and click-through rate. Do this instead to get more clicks. Watch this guide to learn how. Today, I will share the best and easiest way to succeed. This is a fast and proven method. It is the ultimate but simple system for your daily life. Do you really want to grow on YouTube? Forget that. This is the easiest way to grow on YouTube fast. Just follow these simple proven steps and watch your channel explode. Numbers also increase interest. Titles with 3, 5, 7 or 10 often stand out because they are specific. Stop making boring YouTube titles. Instead of just title tips, 7 YouTube title mistakes that kill your views. It is much more compelling. Subscribe for more tips. Watch this before you upload your next video. I'm going to share 3 tips that will change everything. So make sure you stick around. Never promise something your video doesn't deliver. Misleading titles may get clicks, but they can hurt audience trust. A simple title formula is power word plus number plus benefit plus keyword. Use this to get more views. Want more clicks on your YouTube videos? Here are 5 proven title tricks. First, use brackets for extra context. Second, add a compelling number. Watch your views soar. Test different title styles, check your click-through rate, and keep improving. Small changes can make a big difference. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more YouTube growth tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.